Not using AI was killing my school progress. These are weekly updates where I basically cover my journey in building a 10K a month school agency in public. I previously worked for a community making 250K a month, scaled another for to 30K a month, worked for a school as someone that made ads and also temporary mod, so more of a contractor. And in this video, I'm going to cover, there was no YouTube comments, so the stats of the YouTube for the last week, how I got cooked, that's kind of anonymous, and then how AI is like so goddamn useful, way more than a chat bot that you should be using in your school community. And I think so many people in school kind of reject the idea of AI, including me previously, because it's like, oh, humanity, brother. School is the other side of, but you're just gonna get left behind, right? And it's stupid for you to not just embrace the change because it's coming and you can't stop it, and it's already here. But it's not all doing good. Anyway, views are up 112% more. Isn't that swagger? Shut up more for this. Because I uploaded a podcast. New podcast coming in this week too, which is pretty good. And then content, it's like, bro, look at that. Look at that. That's so much better than it used to be. And this is also higher. This used to be like a minute. So that's really good. I got cooked was I had to upload this podcast twice. So I added to Adobe, but it didn't count. So I had to re-upload it. Look. So I lost out on like 24 views. And I goddamn that and those 24 views, this would have probably got like more than 100, which is so sad. But it's okay. Lessons learned. YouTube systems. So this is all with AI. So I haven't done it so much for this video just because it's very late and I am exhausted. But each Sunday, so today, I am sitting down and I am planning my 7 videos. So what the videos themselves are. The ideas, I probably need to spend way more time on the ideas, but it's just iteration 1, right? Just getting things started. And the thumbnail, the title, and the hook. So it's just getting those things really dialed in, just in like a single work block today. And then on the days themselves, I can get the video itself to be good because I can just yap about school all day because I know stuff, right? And the usefulness of AI is that I basically went and pulled all the transcripts from all of my favorite curators that teach YouTube, so like Alex Hormozi, Caleb Ralston, which has like a YouTube course, Patty something that helped Mr. Beast, like all these people. And I just copied the transcripts. It's really easy. You just go to the video, you scroll down, you click on show more in the bio, and you scroll down and it says copy the transcript. I don't know if you need 1 sec or vidIQ, sorry, or not for it, but you copy the transcript, you put it into Claude, which is way better than ChatGPT, and it will basically make this like master doc of what you can basically make it do anything. For me, I have a master doc of like YouTube strategy, and then I have my YouTube strategy, and then I have like a template. And the template is just something I fill out on the daily, right? And that's going to get built out through my own iterations. But through getting all the transcripts, you can basically start on like iteration 10 of other people that are really good in the industry, right? So embrace it. Oh, also, another way that I thought about AI this week, which is great because AI to me was this like really big, scary thing. And I think the reason for that was it's really hard to conceptualize because it basically does everything, right? So you can't really bucket it in your head. And the unknown is scary. But ultimately, it's just another form of leverage. That's all it is. And there's 4 pieces of leverage. There's content, capital, cooperation, so like people, and then there's code. It's just code. It's added this. That's it. There's nothing else. Like, it is that simple. It is simply a form of leverage. It's just technology. It's nothing crazy, right? And it's like just viewing it in that simple lens has made wonders for me to be like, oh, cool. Now I can conceptualize it. Working way more, that's just more, I don't know, it's not that AI related, but breaking tasks down more, like huge, because let's say your goal is 100K a month, right? That is so big. That is so big. And let's say you're at 0K a month. If you don't work today, it literally, like, your brain doesn't register it because it doesn't care, right? It's like so many days I would wake up and be like, oh, who cares, I guess? Because the goals are so, because I'm ambitious, I suppose. So I can waste today if I don't have something concrete that I will fail today at. So it's like break the 100K down to months. So I could say like 2K this month. And then today I need to upload a video. I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do this. Right? It's way more impactful on your day to day. And then helping plan IRL events. So I'm just moving towards that direction of doing my IRL events for school. Not for school itself, but around school, which is swagger. Okay, comment any questions and I will respond because I have no questions. Yes. Okay. Ciao.